Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit in Romania. First, understand that a work permit is essential for non-European Union citizens to work legally. Your future employer plays a crucial role, as they must apply for the permit on your behalf. You will need a confirmed job offer and must meet specific eligibility criteria, including a clean criminal record. This initial step is foundational for your entire journey. Gathering the correct documents is vital for a smooth application. You'll need a clear copy of your passport, ensuring it has ample validity. Prepare your comprehensive curriculum vitae and all relevant educational certificates. Your employer must provide their company registration documents and the official job offer. Remember, all foreign documents typically require certified translation into Romanian to be accepted by authorities. Once documents are ready, your employer submits the application to the General Inspectorate for Immigration. They will assess the request, considering the labor market situation. The standard processing time is around 30 days, but it can extend to 90 days for more complex situations. The employer is responsible for paying the application fee, which is approximately €100, ensuring all financial aspects are covered. After your work permit is approved, the next step is to apply for a long-stay visa, specifically the D/AM type, at the Romanian embassy or consulate in your home country. Once you arrive in Romania, it's crucial to register your residence with the General Inspectorate for Immigration within 30 days to finalize your legal status. Also, for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. This ensures you comply with all local regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.